love it, Leo. You are so precious. Yeah. Is that funny too? Because I'm ornery, aren't you? So I could grow up and be ornery and I'm going to be into everything. Yes, you are. You're cute. Yeah, you're cute. Hi. Can I take you home with me? See, Mommy wouldn't like that. No. No. Yeah. So you know what it takes to babysit for your grandson? Is that funny? Kitsy, kitsy, kitsy. Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. Yeah. I wish your granddad could hear this. I do. I wish your granddad could hear this. You got some belly laughs.
Eyelid.
Oh, where's Lachlan? Say hi, Lachlan.
Where's Lachlan? Where's Lachlan?
Hi.
Where's Lachlan
Do you want to go build a bear?
Where's Lachlan?
It's funny.
Hey,
Do you want to go build a bear? Yeah. What you gonna name your bear? Is it funny? Are you a little young? You're a little young to build a bear. Yes, you are.
I'm over here, says Lachlan.
Can you go kick, kick, kick?
Where's Lachlan?
Not so loud.
Kick, kick, kick. It's about time. It's about time. It's about time to go build a bear.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it is. It's about time.
All done? All done.
Where's Lachlan?
Hi.
Where's Lachlan? I'm right here.